Ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing the financial sector? Well, you're not alone. It's a fascinating world where finance meets the future, and it's all thanks to Fintech. Now you might be asking, what is Fintech? Quite simply, Fintech is the marriage of finance and technology. It's the innovative transformation that's reshaping how we handle money in the 21st century. From the way we bank to how we invest, Fintech is shaking up the traditional financial landscape. Imagine a world where banking is as easy as tapping a screen, where investing is accessible to anyone with a smartphone. This isn't just a distant dream, but a present reality, all thanks to Fintech. But Fintech isn't just about convenience, it's about empowerment, giving people more control over their financial lives. It's about breaking down barriers and creating opportunities. Now let's delve deeper and explore how Fintech is transforming the financial sector. To understand the impact of Fintech, we first need to understand its key components. Let's start with blockchain technology. This is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. Its transparent nature and its resistance to data modification make it ideal for secure transactions. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it's also making waves in other financial areas, such as smart contracts and supply chain auditing. Next, we have mobile payments. We've all grown accustomed to the convenience of paying with a tap or a swipe on our smartphones. Mobile payments have revolutionized the way we transact by making it quick, easy, and efficient. This technology is not just about convenience, it's also about financial inclusion, bringing banking services to the unbanked and underbanked populations around the world. Then there are robo-advisors, the digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with minimal human intervention. They're perfect for those who are looking for low-cost, simple investment management. Robo-advisors take into account your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon, and use that information to build and manage an investment portfolio for you. Finally, we have crowdfunding platforms. These are online platforms that allow individuals and businesses to raise funds from a large number of people. They're a great way for startups to raise capital without having to rely on traditional financial institutions. Crowdfunding platforms have democratized investment, giving everyday people the opportunity to support and invest in projects they believe in. These components are not standalone entities. They often work in tandem, creating a fintech ecosystem that's greater than the sum of its parts. For instance, blockchain can enhance the security of mobile payments, while robo-advisors could utilize crowdfunding to diversify investment portfolios. As we can see, these components are the building blocks of fintech that are driving the financial revolution. Now, how is fintech reshaping the traditional banking landscape? Gone are the days when banking transactions meant long queues and tons of paperwork. Today, financial technology, or fintech, is taking the banking world by storm, bringing about sweeping changes in the way banking services are delivered. At the heart of this transformation is the mobile banking app. These apps have become a virtual bank in our pockets. They let us check our account balance, transfer money, pay bills, and even apply for loans, all at the touch of a button. No need to visit a physical branch or wait for banking hours. With these apps, banking is now a 24/7 service accessible from anywhere at any time. But fintech's influence goes beyond just mobile apps. It's also driving the advent of digital-only banks, also known as neobanks. These banks operate exclusively online, without any physical branches. They offer all the services of a traditional bank, but with added benefits like lower fees, higher interest rates on savings, and user-friendly interfaces. Plus, they're often quicker at adopting new technologies, like biometric authentication or AI-based customer service, offering a more modern, streamlined banking experience. And let's not forget about peer-to-peer lending platforms and robo-advisors. These fintech innovations are democratizing access to financial services, making them available to individuals who may have been excluded from the traditional banking system. The impact of fintech on banking is profound. It's making banking more accessible, more convenient, and more customer-centric. It's breaking down barriers, creating a global financial ecosystem that's inclusive and equitable. But the revolution doesn't stop at banking. Fintech is also transforming other areas of finance like investing and insurance, and even changing the way we think about money itself, with the rise of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. So, fintech is not only changing the way banks operate, but also how we, as consumers, interact with our finances. But it's not just banking. Fintech is also revolutionizing the world of investing. Let's dive into how fintech has been a game changer in the investing realm. One of the most transformative innovations has been the introduction of robo-advisors. These are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with minimal human intervention. They've made investing as simple as answering a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your responses, the robo-advisor constructs a personalized portfolio, rebalances it periodically, and manages it on your behalf. Now let's talk about algorithm-based trading. This technology uses complex formulas, combined with mathematical models and human oversight, to make high-speed decisions and transactions in the financial markets. It's like having a superhuman trader at your fingertips, capable of analyzing massive amounts of data and executing trades in fractions of a second. The beauty of these fintech innovations is that they've made investing more accessible and affordable. You no longer need deep pockets or a degree in finance to start investing. Robo-advisors and algorithm-based trading platforms have lowered the entry barriers, allowing anyone with an internet connection and a few dollars to spare to get a piece of the investment pie. Indeed, fintech is democratizing the investment landscape, opening doors for many who were previously excluded. So, what have we learned about fintech today? We've unraveled that fintech, or financial technology, is the innovative use of technology in financial services. We have delved into its key components and how it's revolutionizing banking, making transactions quicker, easier, and safer. Moreover, we've explored how it's transforming investing, making it more accessible and straightforward. As we've seen, fintech is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful force that's reshaping the financial sector and the way we manage our money, and it's just getting started.
We'll be right back.